2 days after arriving to the area of operation of the coast of Libya in international waters, we overheard several Mayday relays calls on our VHF from an unknown source, alerting of a boat in distress. We proceeded to the given position, and our teams managed to rescue 34 people of an unseaworthy rubber boat. After all people were brought on board the Ocean Viking, Italian authorities assigned us the distant port of Ravenna to disembark all survivors on board. About an hour after we finished the recovery operation of the people in distress, a Libyan asset appeared on scene, crossed our bow at very fast speed, and ordered the Ocean Viking to leave the area. That same afternoon, while proceeding to the distant port of Ravenna, we spotted a fiberglass capsized boat in the water. We requested green light to launch our ribs and proceed for a search pattern that lasted until dusk. Unfortunately, we didn't find any survivors or any sign of a recent shipwreck around this capsized boat. Not having any news makes us fear for the worst for the people that was once on board this distress case. On the morning of the 14th of December, we were alerted by the Italian Coast Guard of a boat in distress. At this point, the Ocean Viking was already in the Ionian Sea and started the search for an unseaworthy fishing vessel with lots of people on board. A few hours later, our teams concluded a very difficult operation due to rough weather conditions and brought on board the Ocean Viking 129 survivors. During the rescue operation, 2 of the women collapsed on board one of our rescue ribs and had to be attended by our medical team once arriving on board the Ocean Viking. This rescue operation was coordinated by the Italian Coast Guard, who had 2 assets on scene, a plane and a boat. After the conclusion of the recovery operation, Italian maritime authorities still confirmed the distant port of Ravenna as our port of disembarkation. This is keeping the Ocean Viking away from the area where she is more needed and prevents us from doing any other rescues and assisting all the people that is in need of help in the central Mediterranean.